The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Oh, you the video? Come on, lead that here, fast. Bring that phone.
How do you think I could upload later and I call it 2 weeks? Take the show say police they harass on a big nothing. Have you?
We are doing our job. You know what? How about you move us now, fast. Move us. Come outside. Outside. Mira. Don't really what I do with all these boys here. Huh?
Come here.
Huh?
No, you be your guy.
You down.
Put this stick on that side. Fast. See the real shoe. Fast. Jungle. My God. Shine. See,
Papa Kajo.
Ah.
Baby call. Then come back.
Like you. Now you comfort.
Thank him.
You get anything when you want to talk before. You get one thing when you want to talk. What thing you want to talk? Yeah? What thing you want to talk? Be fast now. What thing you want to talk?
This man. The right shoulder for the press.
What thing you want to talk?
What you want to
Be fast.
When you stand up, the man will talk to you, man.
Rubbish. Be fast though. And then lock.
Come back here! Come here! Whoa! Congrats! Whoa!
That's lovely, man.
Police is your friend.
Yeah, your friend.
Yeah, baby, yes.
Baby na! Oh, baby na! Oh, baby na! Oh, baby na! Good day! Oh! Yes! Bring it! Oh my Jack!
Viewers and subscribers, you know what? I am for the whole romantic vibes and setting, you see me? But what happened in this video, me never expect that a burn up clock. Me I tell you the truth, you see me? Because, you know, this video shows us somewhat of a marriage proposal, you know, or marriage proposal prank, you see me, or something like this, you see me? But viewers and subscribers, really and truly, me just never expect that one. You see? Alright? Because when me see the video on social media, me see where, you know, like police officers, not police officers within Jamaica, but of another country, and it's like, you know, people up on them knees, and me I say, wow, go on, yeah, so. You see me? So, me take a look on the video, and me I say, yo, look like them people in a problem, then boom! All of a sudden is a proposal. You see me? But viewers and subscribers, we just want to point it out that even though, you know, I am for the whole marriage proposal prank in a certain ways and so forth, you see me, some of these pranks you have to be careful. You see me? Like all a prank like this now, you see me? You have to be careful because I'm saying that, you know, some persons might have high blood pressure or a heart problem, and then you decide to pull off a prank like this, and then, you know, the person blood pressure go rise and hurt them, or, you know, them heart start to, you know, the whole heart attack start to happen to them because, you know, them become so frightened seeing so much police officers in them place, you know, and think that it is something bad, you see me, and then they're being asked to put on them knees and them things there. So that's why I'm saying you have to be careful, you see me? Just be careful, you see me? But above all, I just want to say congratulations to the two persons seen in the video, you know, with the whole proposal thing that had happened, you see me? And you know, the whole thing started out shocking at first, but it ended out smooth as romantic to me in the end. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah. So viewers and subscribers, again, I'm saying be careful of some of these pranks, you know, because they can be dangerous, you see me? And let me know what you think about something like this, you see me? Is it romantic or is it not romantic? Alright? And yes, so is what I leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.